Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made this trick or treat themed chess set. This took me quite some time, but I am so happy with the result, and I really hope that you enjoy watching me make it. There you are, my darlings. Which side are you on? Are you trick or are you treat? Let me know in the comments section below. I really do hope that you enjoyed watching me make this as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.